I'm Dr. Engineer Anton Francis. I'm an online lecturer at Nile University Mogadishu and lecturer at Damascus University too. I'll be with you as a coordinator and lecturer in the online master degree in the software engineering. Nile University Mogadishu established a new postgraduate program in software engineering to address the growing need for professionals in this sophisticated field. This master prepares students to work at any stage of the software development life cycle. This includes allocating project requirement, writing algorithm, and program development. Studying software engineering opens up a wide range of career opportunities within management, design, development, and research at manufacturing companies, engineering houses, consultant organizations, and supplier companies. Nile University is the right place to start your great future. Join us in the online master degree in the software engineering.